Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset OPPO A60. There are two methods that allow you to factory reset your device. The first one is by going to settings. So let's open the settings, scroll all the way down and go to additional settings. In additional settings, scroll down and go to backup and reset, and then choose reset phone. Over here we have erase all data option. If you press it, then you will need to use the lock screen password or pattern. And after that, you need to confirm that you want to remove everything by pressing this red erase data text. Keep in mind that of course everything will be removed from this device, so make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose. Now this is one of the options. Another option is by opening the recovery mode. In order to open the recovery mode, first you need to turn off your device, so you can either press and hold the volume up and power button. Actually, we need to simply press them. Or if you have turned off the Google Assistant on the power button, then you can simply press and hold the power button to open the power menu. And then over here we need to turn off our device. So swipe from the middle to the bottom to power off the device. Once the device is off, now you need to turn it on. However, we need to turn it on by using the volume down button and the power button at the same time. So press and hold both of these buttons, and then keep holding it until you see the logo of the device. Once you see the logo, you can release your fingers, release the buttons. Now let's wait a couple of seconds and we should see the recovery mode. It might take up to, I think, 15 or maybe even 30 seconds. And there we go. Now we have the recovery mode. Over here we can tap English in order to switch to English. And here we have the recovery. So now in order to perform the hard reset, we need to press format data. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.